On page 29, chapter 5 of the text, we read about full octave chords. Remember that we began by playing the right hand of the hymn, the treble clef, an octave higher than written. Let's look at the hymn, What a Friend We Have in Jesus. We played the right hand an octave higher. Then we learned to make 3-note chords, adding a note in this case in between. Now we're going to build a little lower by adding the next member of the chord downward. And that tone will always be the octave of your melody. This lower tone will be the melody where it is sung by the congregation. But if you're using your talent to accompany a congregation, you will find that when you play in this higher octave, the congregation will sing better in pitch and in rhythm. So, we're going to play a full octave chord with each right hand 2-note interval. Now, the ease in full octave chords is that on the shorter value notes that do not fall on changes of harmony, we may play octaves only, because the octave, being very forceful, does not require on the shorter movement anything but the octave where the left hand is playing the chords. So we play a full chord here because it's a change of harmony, change here, but just octaves here. Full chord, but no change of harmony, so just octaves through here. Much easier, actually. So, playing this hymn in full octave chords, rhythm bass would go like this. Notice I played a chord, and another chord. If you prefer that pattern to the octave chord pattern, it's perfectly all right. Sometimes it will sound better. Going on. There's that extra octave. Moving bass. Very full style for congregations, very easy to follow. This is the first time that we talk about trying to work for singing tempo. And to do that, you might practice 3 ways. You practice first with just the melody in octaves only, quicker. Pretty much at singing tempo. Then you practice at the slower tempo, putting in the chords, as we just heard. Then we try to combine the two, playing gradually faster and adding more chords as we can. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. The more you go over it, the more chords you will find you'll be able to add. Work towards singing speed.